Hey theme lovers, welcome back to another new theme episode of Mobile Funda. Today I am showing you a really clean dark theme for HyperOS, and the reason I like this theme is because it gives a proper dark look, clean icons and a smooth overall feel on my Note 13 Pro 5G. So if you are thinking of using a dark HyperOS theme, you should definitely try this one. And if you enjoy theme customization videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Mobile Funda for more amazing customizations in the future. Now let's talk about this dark HyperOS theme. And first we will start with the lock screen. Here the lock screen appears in this layout, where a large clock widget is placed at the center with the date shown at the top. Along with that, you can also see a step counter on the bottom left and a unlock icon at the bottom. Now let's move to the home screen. Here the home screen appears in this layout, where a centered clock widget is placed at the top. The interesting part about this clock widget is that you can change its color, capacity and format. For example, if I single tap on the right side of the widget, you can customize it like this. If we talk about the icons, you can see that they appear in a dark design, which is highly inspired by the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica edition. And these icons match very well with this setup. By the way, you can use them with any dark type wallpapers. Next, let's talk about the control center. Here the control center appears in this layout, where the toggles have a liquid glass effect. The icons appear in black with a white background and they perfectly match the icons and the overall setup. Last but not least, let's talk about the settings menu. Here the layout appears in an IO style design, where the icons also use a liquid glass effect that matches the theme. However, the swipe back gesture remains the same, just like the stock theme. So this was the complete look of this dark theme. Now the main funda is which themes are used and how to customize this setup. First, go to the pinned comment and download all the themes from the given links. Then open your theme store and go to lock style. Apply the theme called Penguin. Then tap on this customize icon. Now tap on wallpaper style and select depth effect wallpaper. Next, tap on the lower wallpaper option and select the JPEG peak. Similarly, tap on the next option and select the PNG peak. After that, disable these two options. First, hide operator and SMS. Second, hide flashlight and camera. Next, for the icons, go to icons and select the theme called Vibrant V. For the status bar or control center, go to customize theme. Then tap on status bar and select origin 6. Then go back to themes and select the theme Black OX and apply it as the system. Finally, for the home screen widget, select the theme iBlue Note and apply it as the home screen or favorite tray. Now all the components of this dark HyperOS theme have been successfully applied. Rest, you will get the wallpapers from our Telegram channel. So this is today's dark HyperOS theme that you must try on your Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco devices. I hope you enjoyed today's theme. If yes, then like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Mobile Funda so you never miss amazing customizations in the future. See you in the next video. Till then, keep customizing.